The Dorbar Shnong Kynton-u-mon lad Nongkrem had felicitated the leader and MLA of the Voice of the People Party, Ardent Miller Basaiawmoit, at a function that was held today, the 13th of March 2023. Special performances by local school students and individuals were witnessed during the event. Present during the special program were the Headman of Kynton-u-mon Nongkrem, roaming Wankhar, members of the Executive Committee of the Dorbar Shnong, local residents, party workers, family members of the MLA, besides others. Addressing the gathering, Ardent Basaiawmoit stressed on the fact that the VPP had won the elections not through any unfair means but through wisdom and foresight, which are the guiding factors towards a brighter and better future for generations to come. At the same time, Basaiawmoit vowed that his party will be a strong opposition to the new MDA 2.0, wherein voices will be raised against any irregularities that may be encountered that may tell upon the well-being and welfare of the community and the public at large.
Tôi thêm sang nghe tôi yên quạt yam ran điên quạt tre quạt bồi sắc thông quạt ơn sang nghe cầm chính mà ya piang à cả chặt cả không upat cả hima yang ken kla you mau bena hari bai
Cũng kia nhau như vậy xem phẳng, cũng kia nhau như vậy start nghiêm qua bây giờ làm như vậy ba đại cái song shit, nghiêm qua bây giờ làm như vậy ba đại cái cái shipin tham ấy shipin khi cái gì một cái gì phải cái vậy ba, rồi như làm đại cái xem phẳng, kalau cái tay cái là shy cái là shisin, nanti cái hat cái vậy, kalau cái shine, kata cái đấy, kalau cái qua ban pen slow, ya pi cũng cái nong song song, ban pen ta pilih cái dur cái dar, cũng balong hak cái jelas, pilih cái dur cái dar juga sarkar, ni là đây ban yo, ya cái sarkar cái làm đại cái sing dulu. Ring amdan kam shu ban pun ti play lut benda mau lumbai kilap patai buat ek berja te nagaleng gajmi ye la scam baik ye la pen scam bayam tai ngin shong ha kaliang persya ngin no medan benta pakata ka party ka la sinshari la sansnem bata jing sinshar ka jaka ka pen khang yu pai ba nong shong ngin num tre bani don beta ngin shong be ya kaliang persya ngin nom alat ye kikam bandai kikam kibrong persya yu pai ba hagini isnem ke banwan kata